Number 7, highlight cells A4 through A11 and also D4 through D11. Remember to use the Control key to let you do this. So here we go. A4 through A11 and also D4 through D11. This time you have to hold Control key as you select D4 through D11. Create a bar chart using the data in A4 through E11 and D4 through D11, making sure your chart has sensible title, labeled axis, does not have a legend, is on a new sheet. So I already select the A4 through A11, D4 through D11. I go here in Insert, and I choose the column or bar chart. So I go there. The bar chart is this chart here, one of those. I click on it. I have it selected so I can remove it from here, Control X, and put maybe on this sheet here, Control V, and let me see. It has the names of the students, the percentage that each one got. Oh, I need to have a sensible title. So I select it and I'm going to retype it. So maybe student percentage, so that it's a sensible title. And there's no legend to it, so I'm fine.